Okay, so hack number one. Once you park, you're going to have to take one of the trolleys to the main entrance. So don't pack all your things in your stroller, because you have to fold that stroller up. The trolleys don't really have place for strollers. I don't know, after all these years you think they'd design these trolleys so that they could accommodate strollers, because just about everybody's got one, but they don't. Okay, so don't pack all your things in your stroller unless you don't mind doing what we do, and that is taking a walk to the entrance. Okay, here's another hack. It's a bit obvious. Get here early, okay? Because you can see the queues for the monorail, they start to really get really long, and there's the ferry boat. Here's another hack. Everybody tends to go to the right. When there's a queue for a left and a right, people tend to go to the right. So whenever possible, go left. The monorail and ferry boat take about the same amount of time, but if there is a long queue for the monorail, your best bet is the ferry boat, especially if it's already at the dock and taking on passengers. If you don't feel like bringing your own stroller, there are strollers for hire at the entrance. It can get really hot out there for the little ones, so don't forget to bring some sunglasses for the little ones and some sunscreen. At the beginning of the day, when you enter the park, everybody's trying to take a picture at the beginning of Main Street. But sometimes you just got to walk down a little bit here by the fountains. Great spot, you're right up by the castle, less people, great place to take a picture. When it's a bit quieter at the end of the day, go back down to Main Street and then you can get your picture. If you're traveling with a baby and you forget some things, do not worry, you can hire strollers, but there is also a baby center just in front of the castle, and they have everything: baby food, milk, diapers, and a wonderful changing station and a feeding area. Before you go to the park, decide which rides you really want to go on. The first 3 hours you're going to probably be able to do more of the rides than the rest of the day. Make use of the fast passes, they are really helpful and handy. This is what they put the astronauts on to train them. Whoa, whoa. There's some G-force on this thing.
I know.
Take it easy. Okay, so it's Florida, that means it rains a lot, okay? And they sell these ponchos in Disney. You can expect to pay about $10. It's a better quality and it's quite thick. And if you don't want to pay that much, Target or the dollar store sells them for $1. Our little one is very sensitive to loud noises and bursts out crying if it's too loud. So we have these ear protectors and noise reducers that we put on him for the fireworks and any loud rides. I'm going to put a link down below to a few companies that produce these that we recommend. A lot of people forget to ride the train. This goes around the whole of Magic Kingdom. A great way to see the park. You can get off in various places and give your feet a rest. Okay, the next hack has to do with eating, and that pretty much applies to anywhere you travel, especially Europe. Eat out of the meal time. So don't eat at breakfast, lunch, or dinner time. Eat around those times and it's going to be a whole lot easier for you. If you're celebrating a special occasion, or if it's your first time to Disney, speak to one of the cast members and they will give you a free badge. That's a really cool hack. This is my baby's first time to Disney. Don't don't spend the $3.50 on water at the parks, guys, ask any of the attendants and they will give you free water with ice in it. Bring an empty water bottle. There are quite a few drinking fountains all over, scattered around, that you could refill your bottle. So people always want to know, where is the best spot to see the fireworks at Disney World? The best spot is really right here in front of the castle, but you've got to queue up for quite a while before the fireworks begin. The truth is, you can really see them from anywhere in Main Street or this entire area around here. So don't stress out too much if you don't get the very best spot. You're going to see it and you're going to enjoy it. In between parades and entrance and shows and fireworks, the castle area is pretty quiet and a good time to get a great photograph with your family right in front of the castle. People don't know this, but all these stores along Main Street are open for a whole hour after closing time. So save your shopping till the park closes. There are a lot of great stores at Disney and a lot of fun things to buy. Lots of souvenirs, great souvenirs for you to collect. Bring an empty backpack with you to fit in all your shopping and goodies. Did you know that there are hidden Mickeys all throughout the park? I'm going to put a link down below in the description to our blog where we show you where all the hidden Mickeys are. It's a fun way to spend your day finding those hidden Mickeys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope we provided you with some great hacks that will make your next trip to Disney a lot more fun. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a family member yet, and we'll see you next video. Bye-bye.